Human resources management. It means acquiring and keeping people in the organization, working and giving the best of themselves with a positive and favorable attitude. Represents all those things that make staff stay in the organization. It means in the objectives of human resources management, we can identify um, always promote the objective of the company, warranty the maximum development and efficiency of human capital, um, meet and satisfy the needs of the company's employees, develop a balance between the individual goals of employees and the organization, uh, provide the organization with qualified and motivate people, and instill collaboration and teamwork between the different areas. Continuous training of personnel allows employees to plan, improve, and carry out their activities more efficiently in collaboration with the other team members of the organization. Therefore, it's important to set up a high performance work team and carry out professional work with the best quality standards. In general, the main benefits that the organization obtains from training are the following: increase the productivity and quality of work, increase profitability. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry. Decrease in staff turnover, improve personnel recruitment and selection standards, boost worker morale, help solve specific problems on a day-to-day basis, decrease the need for supervision, prevent work accidents, improve the stability of the organization and its flexibility. And the last one is make the staff feel identified with the company. And I have three examples. The first one it's online training. The second one it's the orientation programs, and the third one it's the gamification. Online training. Many companies has given preference to online training due to the practicality they offer both to those who applied and for the students. By being provided in a virtual environment, employees can access to the content from wherever they are and at any time. This being the case, the situation does not need to reserve a physical space where all the participants can fit or worry about reconciling everyone's agents. The company has the option of preparing online training according to the demand, making them available on the chosen platform and providing access to the employees, who will be responsible for the organization to complete them within the deadline. This flexible schedule increases the scope of training and facilitates the participation of employees who do not need to travel and can fit the educational movement into their routines. Orientation programs. The orientation of mentoring program it's based on choosing one or more mentors within the organization itself to share what they know with their participants. One of the greatest one of the greatest advantage of this format is the possibility of transmitting tacit knowledge, uh, and that's it. That knowledge acquired in practice during the experience in the function, and that cannot be formalized in documents. The direct contact between the mentor and the student also allows a closer dialogue on the challenge they face on a day-to-day basis. Um, the report of cases and resolution of doubts in real time, which may go unnoticed in other formats. Gamification. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. Um, Virtually everyone is stimulated by some kind of game, be it competitiveness to desire to improve or simply for fun. Training in the game format use game dynamics in other contexts to encourage engagement, learning, and interaction with the other team members. The companies that bet on this method recognize the importance of transforming learning into something dynamic, creative, that arouse the curiosity and interest of the employees. Another positive point of this type of training is the possibility of offering rewards to employees, which can serve as motivation and increase the chances of adherence. We're gonna talk about the performance evaluations. The performance evaluations of our collaborators it's necessary since it allows us to measure the achievement of the proposed objectives and give a feedback to the worker on their behavior and performance. Evaluating the performance of a collaborator it's a fundamental component for companies because it helps to implement the strategies and refine effectiveness. The process includes the definition of mission, vision, organizational culture, and job competencies of the position. Um, Through this course, we have learned that to solve a problem, we have to see it from different points of views, and analyze possible alternatives, and at the end, make a decision. The problems that a manager presents are a lot, but with the correct work team and decision making, all the all kinds of problems can be solved.